Hello everyone. Welcome back to the English offline classes. This is Vinay from Sri Siddhaganga Public School, Kudal Sangam. Students, today you will learn a new poem, that is The Letter, which is composed by Margaret G. Rhodes. Okay, let us know the poet of this poem. She is a Margaret G. Rhodes. Margaret G. Rhodes, born in London, England. She is a renowned author. She has written many poems. Her famous works include The Letter, her autobiography, The Final Curtsy, and many others. She was also the subject of BBC Radio's Forced Desert Island Discs. Students, now you've learned about the poet of this poem. Now, let me read and explain the poem, The Letter. This poem is written by Margaret G. Rhodes. She is the poet of this poem. The poet is a person who writes a poem, and writer is a person who writes a story. Okay, now all of you open your textbook, page number 47. There you can see the poem The Letter. Okay, this poem is about a letter, and we all know what is a letter. So do you know what is a letter? Have you ever written a letter? Okay, if you not, just try. Okay, a letter is a message which we write on a paper and send to our dear ones. Okay, now I will recite the poem, then I shall explain. Okay, The Letter. I am writing a letter to send by the post. It is to the person I care for the most. I write the date clearly and put the address and began, Dearest Mummy. Did anyone guess? My pen travels slowly all down the long sheet because I'm so anxious to keep it all neat. I carefully blot it to dry up the ink. Such nice blotting paper, the color is pink. I turn the page over and then goes my pen, till lastly come kisses. There's just room for 10. The envelope is ready. I put the stamp on and run to the post box, and now it has gone. By Margaret G. Rhodes. Students, here it is a beautiful poem. In this poem, a little girl is writing a letter, and she is writing a letter for the person she cares for the most. Okay, do you think whom does she writing a letter to whom? Let us see. Okay, she has written a date very clearly, and she has put up the address also. So to whom does she want to send? And she begin writing, Dearest Mummy. So she is writing a letter to her mother. Okay, that means obviously she is writing a letter to her mother. So her pen travels very slowly because she was very careful that she wants to write a letter very neat and clean manner. And she doesn't want to blot it. And she is waiting for it to dry up because that is such a blotting paper. And what is the color of the paper? It is pink. Okay. Then she turns the page over and then she started writing on the next page as well. Till lastly, she put some kisses, and after writing, there was only space for 10 kisses. Okay, now the letter is ready. She puts the letter in the envelope. Envelope is ready. She puts up the stamp on, and then she runs to the post box, and now it has gone to her mother. Okay, have you enjoyed the poem, dear students? Now let us see rhyming scheme of this poem. Okay, here in the first stanza, post rhymes with most. Post, most. In the second stanza, address rhymes with guess. In the third stanza, sheet rhymes with neat. Okay. In the fourth stanza, ink rhymes with pink. In the fifth stanza, pen rhymes with 10. And in the last stanza, on rhymes with gone. Okay, I hope that you all have understood the poem, the letter. So here you have learnt. So while writing the letter, so what are the procedures, what are the rules we have to follow? Okay, thank you.